To get you in the picture, the easiest way to do this is to use Bitmoji. Bitmoji has its own website, bitmoji.com. And then when you get there, you can scroll down and get it on the App Store, get it on Google Play. There's also a Chrome web browser, which you are going to want to install. That makes it a lot easier to put your Bitmoji into your digital classroom. And as you can see, I've already got it on here. It installs like any other extension. So we've got our Bitmoji installed. I have mine set up through my Snapchat. So if I want to change the clothes or the position or the outfits or anything like that, I go on my phone to Snapchat, I change my Bitmoji, and then that will make it available through here because all the accounts are linked. So now I'm ready to put me into this picture. I can put it on this picture with everything connected that we did. Or if I want, I can put it in where we have everything that's movable. I prefer to put it there. That way, if I need to edit the angles or something, I can do that a little bit easier. So I've got my Bitmoji installed. I'm going to come up here to the little Bitmoji icon and I'm going to click it and open that up. And here are recent ones that I have used. And I mess around, like I said, in my, I didn't want to do that, go away, in my Snapchat and look and see, because there are more options there than there are through here. So I went back in and I created the one of me sitting down. So I'm going to use that. If you remember, we flipped the chair around so that it's the right perspective. But if your item is at another angle, you can flip your Bitmoji just like you can the pictures that you insert. So I've got me in. I'm going to go here. I'm a little bit small. Of course, I'm vertically challenged anyway. So I'm going to make me a little bit bigger, kind of match up with the chair, and then adjust it back up. So now it looks like I'm sitting in my chair. Now, I did mention before that I really didn't like the color of the chair, and I forgot to go back and fix that. So what I'm going to do, I've got me where I want me, is move me over. I'm going to click on that chair and go back to that format option, close, size, and rotation, and I'm going to come down to recolor. And I want my chair to be brown, so I'm going to scroll down and look at all my options. I've got that one. It's a medium brown. I've got that one. That's the same one. I've got some black. I've got tan. That really doesn't look good. I've got a sepia. I think I like that the better. It's a little bit darker than the first brown. So now that I have that changed, I'm going to put me back on it. And if I need to rotate me a little bit, I can come up here and grab the little circle and rotate me. I think that looks a little better. And then I can also use my cursor keys, the arrows keys, to adjust things. So now I'm sitting in my rocking chair. Looks pretty good. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to delete that first picture. And I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to download a JPEG again. And it'll give it a name. And this is the fourth one, so it'll be Digital Classroom 4. And I'm going to click on my blank slide, grab that, drag it up. And now I have my basic classroom set up. The next set of videos will show you how to create links on items in here so that kids can interact with your digital classroom. Again, for example, on mine, I have code.org. So if I want my kids to go there, all they have to do is click on it and it will open up the website.